Alright, welcome to November 2018 Spray Paint Art Secrets. This month we've got some really cool landscape painting, among other things. We're going to use some really new, interesting tools to do this, tools that you can make out of poster board, out of newspaper. So if you haven't already experimented with these techniques, they could be useful for you no matter what sort of artist you are at this moment, whether you're doing acrylic painting. We have water-based acrylic non-toxic spray paints that you can use. Whether you want to use this as underpainting for your oils or you're just an artist curious about some new ways of doing stuff, there's all kinds of fun techniques. Spray paint art techniques are generally for improvisation, and they use a lot of household objects and tools and things that you find in a hardware store or a pharmacy in surprising places, and how to use those tools to make art that is fun and quick, usually quick, and just a whole bunch of techniques that you can add to your repertoire, whatever it is. Or if you're a spray paint art fan or an airbrush artist, there's lots of great information that can really expand what you're doing. So we're going to go on and work on a space scene with all kinds of lights shooting out from this alien pyramid and a highway with some cars on it. And I'll show you how simple and easy it is to add cars on a highway and to just improvise all kinds of places that you have never been to. So if you are interested in learning some of these techniques and getting a class for free, you can go to spraypaintartsecrets.com, and there's a form on that page where you can put your email and you will get a free video on how to paint planets sent to your inbox, plus an amazing materials list that will give you some insight into what all this is about. So in this painting, we're going to work with sort of a limited palette of colors, just so that you can really focus in on the effects. And it's just going to be a lot of really great space painting cosmic effects. If you're curious how to make galaxies that look really natural, that's in this lesson. And all of these videos will be in the Spray Paint Art Secrets membership area in November for basic members. And if you're a gold member, you would be getting a huge library of over 400 of these lesson videos, and we would be adding this one in November. So as always, if you have any questions, comments, thoughts, requests, you can email me, Elisa Amor, at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. I'm happy to assist you with any spray paint questions, or if you have questions about how to do this with an airbrush, I can point you to some cool stuff as well. And one of the really wonderful things about this technique is learning how to use newspaper as a brush. Newspaper is actually an amazing tool for creating art. We use the newspaper here to create the land, the planets, the foliage, cut it up in different ways, fold it in different ways. It's a really cool thing to work with. So if you're interested in learning about some new tools, come check it out. You get the free lesson, which we do go into a lot of stuff about newspaper and how to make patterns. And in this one, we've got a lot of combinations. We've got the galaxy effects in the sky, but we've also got some waterfalls and foliage and fun things that you can play and experiment with these designs and create your own designs and color schemes. Really, this art is about teaching you how to have fun and how to improvise on the fly. All of these pieces of art are created in usually under 10 minutes, sometimes under 20, if it's particularly complex. But you can see how quickly you could use this to do some underpainting, or to do a background for your artwork, or to do beautiful space painting and landscapes. Alright, so in this one, we've got some cool effects in the sky that I made with a strainer that I found at a dollar store, and I'm going to show you how that was done and how to work with those effects and just create a sky that's a little bit more interesting. So again, my name is Elisa Amor and I'm your teacher, and if you're interested in getting these lessons, go to spraypaintartsecrets.com graffiti.com and sign up to be a basic member or a gold member, or we have some other interesting packages. If you're on our mailing list, you'll get information about some cool stuff, like how to paint your body, how to paint this kind of artwork on your body, for example, or how to do Chinese landscape painting, all kinds of cool stuff. So, see you inside. Ciao.